Hello friends, we all know that the medicine offers us synonyms or alternate phrases or alternate terminology. Let's see some of the interesting alternate phraseology or phrases in medicine and in physio. Uh, you know, when substances enter the cell, it's called as endocytosis, particularly large molecules, particulate matter, foreign substances, they enter the cell by endocytosis. Now, if it could be solid entering the cell by endocytosis, we call it phagocytosis when solids enter the cell. So, it's called as cell eating. It's a solid. And if liquids are entering the cell, it's called as pinocytosis, cell drinking. Liquids entering the cell, liquids drunk by the cell. Exocytosis, on the other hand, when cell throws out certain substances. So it's called as cell vomiting. Cell is vomiting out those substances. And then cell suicide, apoptosis, the programmed cell death is called as the apoptosis. So cell is finishing itself in a programmed manner. And necrosis, on the other hand, is called as cell murder. So these are the some of the interesting terms. Finally, I was just thinking, a cell also releases gas, carbon dioxide. What would you call it?